Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to smarthome. Today, we've got a common issue many Blink outdoor camera users encounter, the dreaded flashing red light. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through fixing it step by step. 1. First things first, let's understand why your Blink outdoor camera might be flashing red. It usually indicates an issue with connectivity, power, or the camera's firmware. 2. If your camera is flashing red, the first thing to check is the power source. Ensure that the batteries are properly inserted and charged. Sometimes a low battery can trigger the red flashing light. 3. Make sure to use high-quality batteries or the Blink battery pack for optimal performance. 4. Next, let's troubleshoot the connectivity. Open the Blink app on your smartphone and check if your camera is connected to the Wi-Fi network. If not, try reconnecting it by following the app's instructions. 5. If the Wi-Fi signal is weak, consider moving your camera closer to the router or installing a Wi-Fi range extender to improve connectivity. 6. Lastly, ensure that your camera's firmware is up to date. Open the Blink app, go to the settings menu, and check for any available firmware updates. Updating the firmware can often resolve software-related issues causing the red flashing light. Conclusion. And there you have it. By checking the power source, troubleshooting connectivity, and updating firmware, you should be able to fix the Blink outdoor camera flashing red light issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.